Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different, something I've never done before, but I am going to be cutting my own hair. I'm really nervous, but really excited, mostly because I'm not that nervous because if I completely screw it up, I can get it fixed. It's hair, and it grows back, and my hair grows fast, so... But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it's gonna be fun. And if you do enjoy it, please like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you share the video with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. And yeah. All right, I guess let's get started. Okay, so I've watched some videos on how to do this, but I'm gonna completely disregard all those. Because who cares? Like I said, it's hair. It'll grow back, and if it doesn't, then I'll just be bald for the rest of my life. I cut my daughter's hair earlier today. Both of them. Serendity's turned out really good. Faith, on the other hand, oh God. Faith, on the other hand, hers didn't turn out bad. Her bangs look funny. Ah! Oh God, what am I doing? Let's see if I can do it evenly. Oh no. Oh no. It's not even. That is not. You guys, what did I just do? Okay, let's look at the back. Oh my God. Okay. What did I do? Oh my God, it's too short. You know, I see people do this. What's this even do? Like, I've seen someone in a video say, oh, you do this so it doesn't look so choppy, but I don't know, I don't understand. Oh God. I guess at least I didn't try to do bangs. Because that's where I screwed up on my daughter's hair, Faith's. I didn't do bangs on Serenity, but I cut Serenity's hair pretty short too. was really hoping that I wouldn't have cut it this short. That way if I did need to get it fixed. Oh no. Ah! Because my dumbass just said, hey, you know how I didn't cut those bangs? I'm still not cutting them, but. Why did I do that? Does it look that bad? I mean, I don't think it looks that bad. It's just kind of choppy, like, I don't know. I think it's because I'm just used to having layers. And I didn't really do layers. Let's, whoops. Alright guys, so that's all we have for this video. My hair is done. It does not look terrible, I don't think. Let me know in the comments below if you think that I should go get it fixed now, or if you think it looks okay and that maybe I should start doing this more often. Anyway, just pretty quick video. Nothing too special, but got my hair cut. Doesn't look terrible for the first time doing it ever, myself. It's a little shorter than I wanted, but hey, that's life. I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you have anything that you would like to see. I have a couple things in mind, but I'm always open for suggestions. So yeah, follow me on social media, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I am doing that giveaway once I reach 100 subscribers, so don't forget. But yeah, all right.